Oil rising again, causing some jitters here in the market. However, QQQ semiconductors still holding the line pretty well and leading the tape, which kicks off our OPEX week here. Spiders here with a pretty mostly choppy trend to the downside here today, but we're only down about 35 basis points here. It looks like a lot more here, but if you just zoom out to the daily, it's really just a retrace here. Granted, we are below the breakout bar low, so you could, a closed blow here today could give us a little bit of downside here. I would say it's more of a minor kind of failure, if so, but that could see, that could bring in a little bit more downside here tomorrow. That said, why I don't think it's going to be too consequential here is a couple of reasons. One, you have IWM here, is yet to make a new low of the day on this little dip here. And if we look at NQ or the QQQ, you can see here that it's held up really well. And, it's pretty much flat and hasn't even taken out Friday's low yet. We're seeing leadership in semiconductors. There's SMH up 1.1, SOX up 1.6, and DRAM up 5%. Again, momentum leaders up. I'm not going to really get bearish this market here. DRAM hammering on that 50-day here, but take a look at SNDK and Micron. They are doing that. They've gapped above that. So nice little rebound there. We got about 45 minutes here into the close. I'm not going to cover everything as we normally do here today. It's a very low energy tape. And I mean very low energy here. It's definitely the dog days of summer. But with that said, I don't think we would get much past 730 QQQ. We talked about that this morning. And, we talked about these levels here on ES and in the morning video, which we do every morning at 8:45. The link's in the pinned comment. But we talked about the setup here, 77.95. This actually, paid out pretty much like 6 times. If we go to a 5-minute, you could have taken it there, right there, right there, right there. There was about 6 times before this level got used up, and we actually did that with NQ this morning. As NQ had the relative strength, it gave us a much better rally, but very, very low energy tape here. And you can see, 30,100, which lines up with the 730 QQQ area. That's kind of holding right now. And yeah, we might get a little bit of a pop in the close. It feels kind of a lot like last Friday where we had a gap up. We tried to rally a little bit. We kind of backed off. Middle of the day, kind of bottom, and then just float back up towards the end of the day. I kind of feel like that's possibly coming here. Another thing I like about this market here, or just in general, is you can see GLD, and well, I might be covering it up with my face here, but in the corner of my screen here, that gold is acting very well. And I like how it's hit this 100-day, it's consolidating. You took out Friday's high. You didn't waste time taking Friday's high out. You didn't have to break out the range. That's fine. Just base a little bit longer here, and then this can get up towards that 200-day. I do think we'll see GLD 410 this week, maybe even 420. So I do like how gold is positioned here. Silver as well. Pattern's looking pretty good. I definitely do not dislike what it's doing. So higher lows, right? Nice flag, nice and tight, looking very good. Lastly, another thing here, and I know we have a new VIX contract coming. Everybody's going to talk about that. It's not an automatic short just because we have a new contract. It can often invite volatility, yes. But another thing, market down, right? Oil up, Bitcoin up 2.3% here. And yeah, that everybody predicted that, right? A very nice move though. Look at the tight range, nice pop. And look at the tightness in the bands here. This is getting ready for a move. So is Ethereum. Look at this pattern here. This is absolutely coiled. Same thing with even Scamlana. Though very nice tight pattern here on these. So that could be interesting. It is an OPEX week, so just be aware of fake moves and things like that. Oil did push up here, so up 2.4. I'd see 135 USO. Maybe 140 if it gets going. I have to see kind of how the next day or so plays out. Again, the tape right here is really quiet. It's tough to get a read here. But like I said, I do think this market will hold up a little bit here. Maybe see a little bit more chop, but as long as those momentum leaders are up, I'm not going to get too worried about the market here at the moment. So, anyways, guys, we'll wrap it up here. We'll keep it short today. Again, it's a very, very quiet tape, and I don't want to dig too much into it right now. We'll see what we get tomorrow. That should tell us a little bit more information, and I think the tape will wake up a little bit more as we get closer to the end of the week. But anyways, you guys take care. Don't forget to come find me on carnivoretrades.com, and we'll see you guys all tomorrow.